Hey guys, Basil and Will from GraysonHobby, and today's the day we find out who wins the Jumper T18 Lite raffle giveaway. We got Will over here getting it all ready.
So here we go, guys. We're just gonna cut to it. Basically, here's the video. I gotta copy the URL here, copy, and then I'm on commonpicker.com/YouTube and random picker, blah blah. Type in URL. I'm gonna paste that. Filter duplicate users for you naughty people out there. Click get YouTube comments.
Alright, so how many unique comments we have?
And 480.
480, okay, for 2 weeks.
So here we go. You guys ready?
The winner.
And did I click it? No, I didn't click it. All right, ready?
Uh-huh.
3, 2, 1.
Please be me, please be me, please be me.
Airhammer RC.
Airhammer RC.
I'm sub for a while now and been given a like. So if you're reading this, here's my comment. LOL. Free stuff is always a bargain. Thanks, guys. Airhammer out.
All right,
that was
there
a pretty
it is.
good comment. I like
there
that
it
one.
is.
So
Airhammer RC. You are the winner of the Jumper T18 Lite.
Your free stuff is a bargain because guess what? You just won a T18.
Congratulations to Airhammer RC.
Share it.
I will send you a little private message through YouTube and give us your address and we'll send you the new T18. And it looks like you're an airplane guy, so awesome on that. Look at that airplane.
Yep.
That's how we started.
For all of you that are very jelly, go to Airhammer RC on YouTube and look at his 14 subscribers.
Well, look at his videos.
Oh yeah. Well, no, he doesn't have any videos. Airhammer RC, you don't have any videos?
Well, now your first video needs to be with this radio.
Yeah, I want to see a review of this T18 now.
Yeah. All right. One thing Will wanted to show you.
Yeah, so just a heads up, guys. This is not fake because he joined in 2016. We didn't even start doing videos until after that, I think. So
something like that, yeah. So
at least I didn't.
He's been 4 years.